Welcome to What is Bitcoin? A beginner's guide. In this video, we'll be discussing what Bitcoin is and how it works. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates independently of any central authority, such as a bank. It is completely decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. To hold Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet. Bitcoin works by allowing users to send and receive payments directly without the need for a middleman. When a transaction is made, it is verified by other users on the network and then recorded on the blockchain. The blockchain is a public ledger that contains a record of every Bitcoin transaction ever made. What makes Bitcoin different from traditional currencies is that it is completely digital and decentralized. This means that it can be sent and received from anywhere in the world, without the need for a bank or other intermediary. Additionally, the supply of Bitcoin is limited, which means that it cannot be devalued by inflation. How to buy your first Bitcoin. So, you want to buy your first Bitcoin, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. The first step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many to choose from, so do your research and find one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to register and verify your account. This is usually a straightforward process, but make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Next, you'll need to link your bank account or credit card to your exchange account. This will allow you to fund your account and buy Bitcoin. Now, you're ready to buy your first Bitcoin. Simply select the amount you want to buy and click the Buy button. Finally, make sure to store your Bitcoin safely. We recommend using a hardware wallet to keep your Bitcoin secure. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you're now the proud owner of your first Bitcoin. Congratulations! How to secure your Bitcoin wallet. Are you new to the world of Bitcoin? Have you just purchased your first Bitcoin? Congratulations! But do you know how to keep your Bitcoin safe? In this video, we will guide you on how to secure your Bitcoin wallet. Private keys. First things first, let's talk about private keys. Private keys are like passwords that protect your Bitcoin wallet. They give you access to your funds and should be kept secure. Hot wallets versus cold wallets. There are two types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are like your regular wallets that are connected to the internet. Cold wallets are like your savings account which are kept offline. Hot wallets are convenient as you can access them from anywhere with an internet connection. However, they are also more susceptible to hacking and other security risks. Cold wallets are more secure as they are kept offline, making it harder for hackers to access your funds. They usually come in the form of a USB drive or a hardware wallet. Another option is a paper wallet, which is simply a piece of paper with your private key printed on it. It's important to keep the paper wallet secure, as anyone who has access to it can access your funds. Backup. Whichever type of wallet you choose, always remember to back up your wallet. This means keeping a copy of your private keys or seed phrase in a safe place, like a password-protected file on your computer or a physical backup like a piece of paper. Keeping your Bitcoin wallet secure is crucial to protecting your funds. By following these tips, you can ensure that your Bitcoin is safe and sound. The risks of investing in Bitcoin. Investing in Bitcoin can be a great opportunity to make money. But it also comes with risks that you should be aware of. Bitcoin prices are highly volatile, and its value can go up and down rapidly. Bitcoin's value is not tied to any government or institution, which means it is vulnerable to external factors such as news or events. Bitcoin is also a target for hackers. And if someone gains access to your wallet, you may lose all of your investment. It's important to keep an eye on the market and stay informed about any changes or developments. Before investing in Bitcoin, make sure to do your own research and understand the risks involved. And always take measures to protect your investment, such as using a secure wallet and two-factor authentication. By being informed and cautious, you can make smart decisions when it comes to investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin and altcoins, what's the difference? When it comes to cryptocurrency, most people are familiar with Bitcoin. But did you know there are other digital currencies out there called altcoins? Altcoins are essentially any digital currency other than Bitcoin, and they can have a variety of features and uses. Like Bitcoin, you can buy and sell altcoins on cryptocurrency exchanges. But the process is generally the same as buying Bitcoin. One key difference between Bitcoin and altcoins is the technology they use. Bitcoin uses a technology called blockchain, while altcoins may use different variations or completely different technologies. Another key difference is their market performance. Altcoins tend to be more volatile than Bitcoin, meaning they can experience bigger price swings both up and down. So which one should you invest in? Well, that depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Bitcoin is generally seen as a more stable investment, but altcoins can offer the potential for bigger returns, with bigger risks. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide which digital currency to invest in. But no matter what you choose, always do your research and understand the risks before investing. And don't forget to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency market to make informed decisions. So there you have it, the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins. The choice is yours. The future of Bitcoin, predictions and trends. What does the future hold for Bitcoin? Let's take a look at some predictions and trends. As more and more people become familiar with Bitcoin, the adoption rate is expected to increase. Many predict that Bitcoin will eventually become a mainstream form of payment. As Bitcoin gains in popularity, we can expect to see more options for storing it. This includes hardware wallets and other secure methods. While Bitcoin remains the most well-known cryptocurrency, it faces increasing competition from altcoins. Some predict that altcoins may eventually overtake Bitcoin in popularity. Despite its ups and downs, many believe that Bitcoin has the potential to increase in value over time. This is due to its limited supply and increasing demand. Only time will tell what the future holds for Bitcoin, but with increasing adoption and potential for growth, it's definitely a cryptocurrency to watch. That's it for our beginner's guide to Bitcoin. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin, be sure to check out our other videos in this series.